glad you joined me. I'm here today at my fabricator. Now, our fabricator works with quartz and granites. They have a whole selection here, but I wanted to show you a few in particular today. This is the Calcutta Italia, and the Calcutta Italia is beautiful. Look at that painting. It's a very full color that's going to go with all the modern trends nowadays. Here we have the Calcutta Supreme. It's a little bit more subdued. The veining is a little bit more quiet, but it's also beautiful. These two are right now on special. So come in, see me, call me, email me, and I'll get you a price, and you're gonna love it.